Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab. I ain't been dropping too many videos. You know, we'll start dropping more. I couldn't. I wasn't able to record at the auction, so I haven't even really been going to Oklahoma Auto Exchange. I've just been doing a lot of my car buying online, and the prices are here locally. I guess since people want their car the same day and locally, it's just the price of cars is way more expensive. So I just been having a great time, buying cars on open lane offered up. I bought like 17 cars. I done bought and sold some. I'll show you what I have in inventory right now, and then I'll probably just start making videos about what I buy from now on. If that's still something. Cause I know y'all want to actually see the auction buying process. But I'll probably just start making videos about what I bought and what I paid for it. So y'all can get an understanding. Still, let y'all know. But here we go. So we got Subi, but that's my car, so that doesn't count. We picked up this little old Chevy Classic. I can make a video on that. Picked up this little Chevy Classic. Got it on the no reserve sale on ACV. Got it for cheap. Um, I believe it's a 2013, 14 Sentra. I'm not 100% sure. 2010, 11 Malibu. I believe it's a 10 or 11. I had to go get the right year for y'all. A 14 Kia. I got a 14 Kia Optima right here. 2011 Nissan Sentra. Gotta go air the tire up, and then I gotta go get another hubcap because I ended up breaking the hubcap. So 2011 Nissan Sentra. Like I said, it's got three. I gotta go back to Walmart, so I'll just end up buying a whole another set and then just adding it to the car. That. Then got a Mercedes Tahoe, '07 Tahoe, 2008 Mercedes, 2007 BMW, 2008 Dodge Nitro, 2011 Chrysler 300. Trying to call around, see if I can find a matching bumper, and then have to get this fixed too. But try to call around, see if I can find a matching color to save me some money. I'm trying to save me some money. If I can just call around and find a matching color, then instead of just buying one and having it painted. It's a pretty common car, pretty common color, so hopefully I should be able to find that. Got a 2012 Hyundai Accent. 2012 Hyundai Accent. Got to take it to Wilson. Gonna fix this fix this fender, throw some door handles on there, and then I'm probably get this bumper repainted too, because as you can see, like the clear is faded. Like it didn't fade off the hood, but it's faded on the bumper. And then last is this 2017 Nissan Sentra. It's a 2017 Sentra. Does need a front windshield. And then they took these off, so I'm gonna go to the salvage yard and get that. They took that off, get that. But I'll end up going over and making a video of, just quick little videos about what I paid for them and what's the plan. Just going to end up saving some of these cars to tax time, like the Nissan Sentra, because it's just slowly stuff. It ain't really that big of a deal. It's just slow stuff. So that something like that. Probably that Nissan Sentra is. I'm gonna put that through tax time. Let's get my thumbnail. Let's see if I can get a thumbnail like that. Take. I don't know if it took or not, but hopefully it took. But yeah, so probably say that Chrysler 300 to tax time. Oh yeah, I forgot. Genesis 2013 Genesis. Almost forgot about. Probably say this one to tax times too. Just because I'm gonna be asking more money. But it's a 2013 Genesis. 2013 Genesis. Almost forgot about you. This other junk is just cars, you know, my brother's car, my cousin's car, family's car, some more family's car. Trying to get, you know, family get their junk out of here, but you know, once you have a lot, you know, people are like, oh, can I just park my car back there? And then they end up parking it back here, and then they never come back and get it, and the stuff be sitting back here rotting, making my inventory look bad, you know. And they especially makes it look bad. Only main thing because if people come looking for a car, and then yeah, I might have 10 cars or 12 cars, but it's for some strange reason, it's like the person when you're selling the car, and they might be interested in this one car they look at. Their eyes always attract to something that's not running or not available for sale. For some reason, every customer it does that for like some reason. Like, oh, it doesn't. That vehicle just sitting over there. What about this? It's always like that vehicle just sitting over there. No one's just sitting over there, probably on flat. Don't even look the best. What about? Well, what about that vehicle right there? What about? Like, come on now. Y'all already coming on this vehicle. Why y'all looking at this one that's all the way in the back corner that's there? But yeah, I'll make some little videos. Probably won't have them no more than probably like 5 minutes or so. Just quick walk around of them and letting y'all know what I paid for them. But I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Just let me know if that's the videos that y'all want to see. I think I'm gonna just do, show y'all what I end up buying. Show y'all and just like what I bought, and then go from there. So I think that's probably the best thing going. But let me know if that's something y'all still like, y'all interested in seeing, just the cars that I buy and how much I paid for them. Cause I know y'all like to see when I fix them up. I kind of like the before and afters, like when they go from the before and Wilson. But I'm gonna just probably make like 4 to 5 minute videos. Probably not even that, 3 to 5 minute video, just quick little walk around, showing y'all what I bought it for, and probably what I end up selling for. And then that's about it. But I appreciate everybody for rocking. I'm out. Peace. I'll make some videos for y'all and drop them. Let's get it. Peace.